That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Miap nukula metap pana mia tu mampupa tu sami va imbati di ona pa ko je pa to mi maboy enya we so tu na mi kata alba ko jinga dia pa ka bla ko tua to pa ko je pa enya Tony McBoy yemia.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo ta miapun pola mada pana mi be mi tia Abanyigba TV af miakun to ma chuchu pima mano ungo modem chwale ka gba fo na no no ke aba baba ke minya na mija wona ko ple nse to ma nyare kare ike me choklo mi arukyo kale mi ogwa mi zona rango apon ka nya jujo yo ke zu nya jujo yo ke kakachi mi ape na chuchu bana gadra nyu kata na mi kpo mi ape to ma nya ongo ke na mi gazora ngwa ofo ganya mi jona nya onme ke gbato ele tohe Ghana le abofo pele England egba enye nane ke ehianem vevie ala bebe ta amasiama elem jombe yanye leke ngono no kita mokata ele miapona magba ta no kujiba 0242670773 enye number loka pojeshi ikanatem aza akọ check up with me 0242670773 enye nyeko number don kujiba no view 220 gbogbo yena na me na Facebook me like share comment. That's how we do on Facebook, is that not le TikTok nya kanya Abanyigba TV kana YouTube amya ko afma donc kujiba mila jimfuka hostel the what toy to all right maje miapa wona koma play miapa motivational message doko le bokwe simply I welcome you to the show. My name is Tony McBoy, and well, today is a very, very special edition dedicated to our World Cup and the Black Stars. So we will start. Some people feel powerful by controlling others. The wise feel powerful by controlling themselves. Some people feel powerful by controlling others. The wise feel powerful by controlling themselves. Lana Huxtable is the one we credit for this quote. Nyapang polonyi kwamle activity nya jojo yok enye nyagbe chekam nyagbe ke micho myarki promal micho myarki tuge le egbe fanka kama ire kwa mi gbogbombe yijigarala amojina be yotatore amabubu oji abu oji na yo du amabubu oji ya amabubu ji ruwa yenye aganyanye gaka hasta bamalan makungu menye adu amoji atetora mon yenye nya gaka amroki jidudu enyenya. That is a very, very important observation, very important quote for us this morning. Doku jidudu menye woji dudu. Akbon me pon no la ogere na nya pa church pa fufufo le fika Kristo mo menye Kristo mo le dunya hemo le doko akpo ajigera amojina ba yo to alo yo aya yo tetore anu aworo yo kwiaba yo amjirumene akanu nyala ga bo plomba manye emanye nya amroki jidudu nana mai nye nyagba yike misa for gomodele go pochim. So we end the motivational segment. Some people feel powerful by controlling others. The wise feel powerful by controlling themselves. All right, Nyazorango, holiday.com news. Nyakbo, Nyajojo Kawele, holiday.com, India, holiday.com news. Holiday.com news. Holiday.com news. And Nyajojo Kakapere, Ja Agomacho, Nyapa Muganto Mafia, Jagbaba, Yajinya Yoka Kamile, Mtuamau. Arabajigera nyajo ba mamnyo again du toma peto echo no tadenu isi ama shaman soncho no yagbo da nyaihoide.com araba nyakbo enyakawe le afmandia mahiane nga nyajo jole screen ajiri na o amukakla na monu bobwe Holiday.com news. NDC renames national headquarters after founder J.J. Ronings. NDC renames national headquarters after founder J.J. Ronings. Echo. Ikempo jima diapan kakablabo vovo agbe OG Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Ronings, the late. Da pacha patan of azu jeje to fisia o tronco ne patia petano pe chan oyo national headquarters of the NDC kakafia azu Jeronis per headquarters in Yankoma. That's the honor that the members of the National Democratic Congress have posthumously bestowed on JJ, posthumous honor. And this renames national headquarters after founder JJ Ronings. Police nab Akofena 2 others over Safo shooting. Police nab Akofena 2 others over Safo shooting. So the new leader of the Christo Safo mission has been nabbed over the shooting of Ajwa Safo. So we have that one here. Obole Akofana, Ikanye Christo Safo top where Hama Nopon Nola Ye Oli Chanto two D with the 2 Ajwa Safo. The Koshila Kavaima. All right, GHS flags early sex. GHS flags early sex. Ghana Health Service. Oblombe Fifia Soho, Aloviti Suka for Yatohoma, Akpaganto kwa Uyen ŋutsu alo nye nyɔnu. Wonye ŋutsu alo wonye nyɔnu. So mi keke nyama me tukpekpewo kacha ƒoƒi atɔ ko o dze gbɔdɔtɔ gɔme. Starmer resigns, triggering race for Downing Street. Starmer resigns, triggering race for Downing Street. All right, so Keir Starmer, Sir Keir Starmer, former British Premier or Prime Minister, has resigned. No longer Prime Minister resigned. Makanye Prime Minister o miga gerenya pirako ke Alan Greenspan 100 years dies. Alan Greenspan dies at 100 years. So Alan Greenspan and a great guy, great writer from the Wall Street. We'll read on that very soon. Black Stars meet England in World Cup duel. Black Stars meet England in World Cup duel. So these are the headlines we are having from Howide.com news. Tamia Ajagoma Akbo Kawe Kamia. We'll start with the Black Stars. And Ghana's Black Stars confront England tonight in a defining World Cup group contest staged for 8 o'clock in the evening as both nations pursue critical points to shape knockout ambitions. According to BBC Sport, Black Stars head coach Carlos Queiroz said his squad enters the encounter with tactical clarity and collective resolve, asserting that discipline, transitional velocity, and set-piece efficiency will dictate the outcome against a technically gifted English side. The veteran Portuguese tactician, appointed in April to steer Ghana's campaign, stressed that his players understand the magnitude of representing 33 million supporters on football's grandest stage. All right, bolu fofo ona ikaji mla America to come ebudu come fanya lefia agba na pogania Ghana pakpla England le abofo ona me mikata mi la toji mikata mi la njo nyakpole ke we geda. So that's very important. Ke open nola coach Carlos Queiroz where yo la enjoy yo la claro lo kushi won na kama jigo yo doga to atu yo so ka be abofo habo bore kai ne yo gbagbasha gbagbaje ke suba yewo aduji ahabubu la da vena Ghana vio la peuple besha la be ho so ba ame ino blato voton e de magbana yo alo obaji ele yonchi so that's what we have here. All right. Police nab Akofena 2 others over Safo shooting. Police nab Akofena 2 others over Safo shooting. Minya be koshira ka ya ye Christu Safo to o champion no la ye ka kumcho makaida tu makejam kakoma make umbablaka nyamao ukatao lefia. So we have that here. Police now are confronting 2 others over Safo shooting. Okay, the Ghana Police Service has taken 3 suspects into custody following a shooting incident involving former Domikwabenya legislator Sarah Adjoa Safo, in a case that has sent shockwaves through the political establishment. The arrest marked a decisive turn in a high-profile investigation gripping the capital. So according to the Ghana Police Service, Israel Kwajo Safo, widely known as Akofena, voluntarily presented himself at the regional police headquarters and was immediately transferred to the Criminal Investigations Department headquarters. The Ghana Police Service stated that his cooperation was secured as detectives intensify inquiries into the circumstances surrounding the incident. It remains a central figure in the unfolding probe. All right, so that's what we have there. The Kajak Moment TV Ajafuma yenye Apostle Safo Kantanka ikanya mengbevia evia ikogugo dojiji abanola na Christus Safo hali hiya katama glogoto kacho ekebaya opi ba neva alaba eyi ka yo bako oli okpachikpamani alaba umakumcho ngbegbeleke oten awalo ngbegbeleke wo le tout that bona ikejiji me. All right, health. Ghana Health Service flags early teen sex. Ghana Health Service flags early teen sex. A sobering assessment of adolescent sexual behavior has jolted public health stakeholders after new data revealed a concerning proportion of Ghanaian teenagers become sexually active before mid-adolescence. The findings have reignited urgent discourse on comprehensive sexuality education and safeguarding mechanisms. And according to the Ghana Health Service, a substantial segment of adolescent girls and even larger share of adolescent boys initiate sexual intercourse prior to age 15. The Ghana Health Service established that early sexual debut correlates with heightened vulnerability to sexually transmitted infections, unintended pregnancies, and disrupted educational trajectories. Officials underscored that the trend demands multi-sectoral interventions spanning health, education, and community leadership. Miabang bolo ugbogblon fiaba nyonvio nyonvi akpaganto yoke afion ko pebi atonko o nchu dona ogbo kokoko kare nyonvi pakpaja nyonvi efe le wome nyonvi efe le wome ko afia ho nyonvi ya okay mi ada sha pawanchi mogbo magbo karo peji akenyi gbom le konkonko yan ba nyonvi akpaganto pebi aton mpo hona afi o mpo hona pebi aton afi nchu kana shoncho nchu vion ha o la mo sen jiru fa dope kuna me fa la mo senya on jibo plumbe nengi ala leka ka do khala mo gagba gereji do khala mo gagbo sugreji ala ka wegbe ko yi blon ha be afi mi akpota nenya ajebe odo fofo na no nyam banchi lao supo hosahao beto jibo kata odo boge alebe mesham na wona na chomian ne mimo na kechomian mo agbana sesege ya agbana roga akpome hako aho is eme hako aho is ta yoro kuku begbana ikejin toto le senior high school so peto ne mo na kechomwa dolalo ga wana gbanga de hikama le kleke gbe yo miaka kpo nyagbe enya jojo farora ko na po gandra gra fama hodo machuchu aho gbeda shicho nyofa magbeda ogbon haro kujibe attack prenchie blega na miako wona. All right, Trump unleashes sweeping executive orders reshaping policy. Trump unleashes sweeping executive orders reshaping policy. President Donald Trump signed a slate of executive orders aimed at recalibrating federal priorities on immigration, energy, and regulatory oversight, setting off immediate political and legal reverberations across Washington. A directive signal an assertive push to entrench key tenets of his administration's second-term agenda. And according to the White House, the executive actions include measures to tighten border enforcement, protocols, expedite domestic energy permitting, and impose a comprehensive review of independent agency rulemaking. The White House stated that the orders are designed to restore economic competitiveness and reinforce national sovereignty. Administration officials described the package as a fulfillment of campaign commitments to reduce bureaucratic inertia. All right, Donald Trump. Gausa rojo agara berera rojo ta shiota anya view ta pilo ko mi gbon na fianya bo afia na chu beta to kro ma ve America maga no go bo ya ba chan ma okreto we ole agbalama so that's that akpama ko hina na be mikata mi ave mi no fino view ole beta du ko ma kokoko amoga papa jan hika katama be yo gara beta du ko ma kokoko. So, and that's that. I guess a second pa, Fiamonacho, you call Blair Roma, America. All right, Greenspan, maestro of market dies at Century. Alan Greenspan, the incrustable economist who steered the Federal Reserve through tectonic shifts in global finance, has died, closing a chapter on an era defined by monetary orthodoxy and market exuberance. His passing leaves a formidable legacy etched into the architecture of modern central banking. According to the Federal Reserve, the former chairman died peacefully, marking the end of a life that spanned the Great Depression to the digital stage. Alan Greenspan, economist, chairman for Federal Reserve in America, he has died. So I think at 100, a lot of people are talking about that. Affects investment. It brings a lot of arguments, discussions about credit crunch and all that up. So if you like business news, you can go to hoide.com and read on that. Just the last one. Starmer resigns, triggering race for Downing Street. Starmer resigns, triggering race for Downing Street. Keir Starmer has resigned. So, Sir Keir Starmer has relinquished his leadership of the Labour Party, abruptly opening the contest to select Britain's next Prime Minister and plunging Westminster into a period of high-stakes political realignment. Okay, so we will stop right there. Keir Starmer, ikanya leader of the Labour Party, be magato we Rashid Donchie Dochie, Ungareli Kebea we meto Beto Ramata Rashid Donchie. Ma here people going Brahma jog and can have you no Prime Minister Premier Sole to take that Rashid Donchie. Aba mama fia kuna bo ye bia 24 economy akimete with that no yo alumete wogo kama bai ta irashi alo na ro dan kwa kufu alo we one district one factory again ye maten wo tai maten o ye dashi donchi nkana fi ye voten dashi donchi bo bere kama bo till that kingdom come. It's a big conversation, and we'll be signaling that when it's 8 o'clock. According to The Guardian, the outgoing Labour chief announced his departure outside Labour headquarters, stating that the movement demanded fresh stewardship to unite the party and the nation through mounting domestic and geopolitical challenges. His resignation takes immediate effect, with the party's National Executive Committee set to convene to outline the timetable for the leadership election. Senior frontbenchers have begun conversing parliamentary colleagues as to the succession battle. All right, so Aisha Transhen Mira, she Stamonia and Chinotroba Ganyan Majuga, Stamabay, she don't she don't na blood now, who don't she die jo. So Takuhamalao, Yelauja, the chronologic Patapataba Maki, Taponoga, and Yanyaban Kinafi, Amole. Betatu como terashi don chibobwe ke to come now oponya jisana ma Tony McBoy McBoy news review segment mama hodo chuchu pia na mava nya azorango kajole TV abokum.
No silence ever English dictionary ya paper but see dictionary aka so afi e passe ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna ame kanu le SHS enyuna ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya me ke manya gbegbe fiu e bi aso gbegbe kra ha Lucilis Ebe English Dictionary enyuna o ha amasia me kan nya faidi mo jura po e bi aso gbegbe ha Lucilis Ebe English Dictionary enyu na wa mama na le din Lagos so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon alo number can call screen Nigeria opo to me to le kana WhatsApp afisi african la ya call Lucilis Ebe English Dictionary akwa koveno akbe Lucilis Ebe English Dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 2563 00.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. I have too much ready toy. When it warms, pull a killer.
Oh,
then go for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, watch it go.
that is not the Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
When watch it go.
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that the Cremonton top. Vola Patrica, Busielo, with us here.
When you vola togo, you man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yura vola to ona una masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452 vola
vola vola Afima mi apoto yo la nyadeba vola. Viva lo. Akululi le fuda now. Alele le fuda now. Toma du le fuda now. Achite padaka. Ofuto makata. Mele to wonyi dewa. Eti makolo no ba. Na ile vola heba center. Ikele jengo applaud. Victoria Park. Afima apoto yo. Wonto kame. Wa futo. Wo fukame. Fukame tutu dokada. Vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Apoto yo. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo.
Yo, mi apon kwala. Meda kwana mi be mi cha ba Imba TV. Ekin TV khoshi. Yek chi mi mianko samle le baton hame. Tony Macboy pon ko yaso mi le mi aplom. Chofifia basere ga wo donc jiba 0242670773 enye number ikana ten asa acho anu kama kwa clean TV olifia fu akafika na senya jojo mo jojole atradi enfa fiante total le mion to ya ko gbama nya yo ka kami ababo to ko wene o mi journal fia ka mon ko poli have na kwa mi Facebook ji na Facebook like share comment like share and comment all right ka na YouTube ha mi la fuma like share and comment alobe nyapunko na no didi nya shanya ikena pokoro ramya mizani yo onchido na le ntore me nyaare jo pata ina poba nyaya ofu mvie ojebo didu nase TVG radio G afoku pata ola nyo unjojoro la nyo amare pamwe buo mshangu ikena poba akwela jo bafasha bapa kana be yaga kwa na yo myo mila cloud be akberen chula be pamade dem echeja jamfia misebaja mi zachipa chicha nto aroma echidamo angmaka yemiasi autoba mila ho echimfuga hostel ha mama fiaba mi matano kamo na tatro funa leke arenwa yikajim achomwa akoba ya lidari pepepe nto na pom adami katutu jingo na mia nyakuma apeleke mia onchito ha alabe miao premia we wona afio yona ne mio mi point mi madam na mio mishango mi la tofoko e wonye all right mi azora ngo apo na jogbanla bon yoka le miashi ndia da na Iba Imba TV ha atakonya jojo afuma gba erefu amayo ke pra mi anchi mi fo na funya jojo ogba oboro da mi fu bene ta de mi jagba trotum fukaka afita boyo ta na la ka no matata o muga dama bale ke uno na chino ta na po TV ajina mana nyabo ama me nyabo cho all right mi aje gon cho daybreak Bust deny contamination claims at Kumasi Depot Bust Energies Bust deny contamination claims at Kumasi Depot Bust Energies electricity tariffs up 3.49%, water 0.85% effective July 1. Electricity tariffs up 3.49%, water 0.85% effective July 1. By-election looms. Is Asante Achim North parliamentary seat vacant? By-election looms. Is Asante Achim North parliamentary seat vacant? Bring on England, party ready, fit for showdown. Bring on England, party ready, fit for showdown. Ta Ba ta de fi anye nya jojo ke un pon chocho kadi faji gere echi ale ke mi va chona mi va karo alo ga ke ko chona coven na mi na jingu be nya kadi fa as example fa eji ge abe sidi eton perso blanne vo a sheke le alo fara kaji son afi abana sidi alo fara ka ena plena eshiai afi wo vona la koshira la kama fifi asidi alo fa le ka ple eton perso blanne vo a sheke plege ke ne sidi alo fara kana na zana ne chia fifi asidi alo fara ka perso blanni vo a ton sange apa jimi bana kan wanto po enya e gbamile egon jega chimwa ko gon jeje tutu boss na ji to go glomba na no glomola ba yo yo wana automat bla malamo mi ke nya ma jima kuma ni afi ajojema by election looms ogbo glomba Ashanti Achim North Top South Akbahama no like obalele Canada fiare vuda fiare ikabo gbogbo wi akasabode ke enwa ko no galo kenya choba jaru mule tema nya gbo cham gwa daltaba Ashanti Achim North Top South Akbahama like vale anyame kwame ohini Frimpong tatama yakble Kingsford Suma na backbin Kenya Speaker Parliament no tatama lefuma right ke Thomas Partey nyei Thomas Partey do America do come ke ave yela claro yo le peuple do ipak blague pour England ba ipak blague pour England ba yo that one. All right, Ghanaian Times historic World Cup clash. Can Black Stars tame the Three Lions? Can Black Stars tame the Three Lions? Historic World Cup clash. Eba Ghana category for Aboko Our Boy Kenya Black Stars adogo play the Three Lions of England. Long kujiba English toyo warunya jikpo le duklo nyauma. Na fusile mi aje fo gbaro le fie agba mi ade mi apa down pe jojo na ade ato afian Black Star Jiruga na fo ganyi mi agre nyamre. Ghana has strong potentials for job creation. Ghana has strong potentials for job creation. World Bank to nya futa ka jaro fe yikakona to ko sha to ko ganya oji kama dukote wo for gajaro for gango blombe Ghana nya dukore ke atawo ntefe le do popo do nana amome Central Region flood skill 18 displaced thousands. Central Region flood skill 18 displaces dozens. Okay, Central Region flood skill 18 displaced thousands. Le tichina ntuom chidamo wa America ka wa ma wienyi echi ajaja moli akwa bale ke ya mafakala bro na bechi ajaga jaga ka kanyi ba maga mpoga mi chiao yo nya bro mi le tichina ntoma kuma go doko ama wienyi ku echi fa amarerema ke amakpena no ho on put faraka ono. Right, suspend rent increases or face legal action. The Rent Commissioner warns hostel operators. Jupa do guy ke bona ho hailao ble hoto fo kachacha ji boblombe ame ka tu sukuvio mlofe le gen to mo ka kadamre mo fo jina sukuvio glagla yo mo wo moige yo hagaira pon yo hagaira pon to ga ano no mo jujo ka dare rent ji glaglo afina dare rent ji aruna dare ho hai perfect ho hai la perfect ji ko jona gbe yo awe wa den punke na wo le xɔme yeye ikata na gama diamro amoro ko kona ba sukuvio blachi o pasima ko e ko mi ze au mwa woni reata o ba biamba mshame anon jaro ndo no ba jobe jio la suku koko ye o ba do o ga da da ga jin amaro 5,000 every month. Ranked Taparolia at 25,000 every month. 25,000 every month. There are some hostels like that. The international students hostel at many of you. So this is a conversation that interests all of us. Moji amaro dollar homole. Amaro dollar yomole. All right. The insight. The insight. Mahama salutes J.J. Rawlings. Mahama salutes J.J. Rawlings. Makalivira President John Dramani Mahama has described late former President J.J. Rawlings as a transformative leader whose vision and commitment to accountability, social justice, and national service helped shape Ghana's democratic journey. Speaking at the inauguration of the newly named J.J. Rawlings House, the national headquarters of the National Democratic Congress yesterday, President John Dramani Mahama said the decision to name the facility after the late statesman is a fitting tribute to his immense contribution to both the party and the nation. He added that the headquarters will serve as a reminder that leadership is about service, that political power must always be exercised in the interests of the people. All right, no tata kwa mila fanya J.J. Rawlings pekpata ye ke owa tura national headquarters na NDC legi NDC party akata ko tano pe makwa mile ke ojo peta tamaka da wunchi be epa no ma plepe ndapo na nuzmana mora tege fifia oyombe Jerry John Rawlings House, J.J. House, J.J. House, J.J. House. In Yankoi and national headquarters of the NTC. Mama Punga Mabuchu. J.J. went to Palagua. Aleko Bonava Somina say, and Yajo Jojo Nano do come. Blood of Kicho Savo, the Dudonchi, and Yakboramarek Mashame, na Asong Cho. All right, SIC Insurance rolls out electronic vehicle fleet. ICE nationwide solar expansion in green transition drive. Okay, so SIC Insurance over we are going to a moment before Cariko Zagacho Adelamona Vuaco battery and a charge of Funen and Yada car co Eminara who was a battery agavo. Lefia SIC Domao. Care Ghana calls for Ghana card as sole voting ID. Do pare marukion beke Ghana obe Ghana kadi ke mile film wo mesiai ka o mo mile fie nanye kadi ke zake miala acho da koi alabe kadi manchi kole gogo Manhian cites Ashalaja defendants and alleged tax for contempt over land dispute. Manhian cites Ashalaja defendants. Tanyare le fia la Ashalaja anto manyare le bon bo uragbe be tomaga ejo kaka akpo Ashalaja to yoko nchocho nyaro o man ton samo e bon regbe be Ashalaja ton no to tamuga odo o wa chu langado le nchu akota gbaja to be no century albo yo itoji le fuma Macron proposes international scientific initiative on reparatory justice and slavery legacy. Macron proposes international scientific initiative on reparatory justice and slavery legacy. Macron pum le firagbe et que hikama du kote o no kachachama o suba yo kpal ke vo tro kore yo gbe moka o mu yo wudu ko tro kore yo gbe ala bo ku mi atoguto yo ko ire betadu ko o mo ba gwa ya ba bu mo ba we ne mi atoguto bu pente ho na to ko zo ke shino ko asare gba o pa ye e ko so shini aba ye na mi ha ni le to gba Macron bo e magbo ga malum ga ka no ba mi anu kachacha malbe mi kata mi anu strom chocho mi an plum nya yingonchi acho gbere mi anu no chalwa Africa du ko wa mtapo na vaji aucha ya ile mabana ma ke mi ayi the catalyst loyalty, legacy, loyalty and leadership, and this pays historic tribute to founder Ihagwa Glombe no am ankwari to la me yobona roma bla domani nwe ye jeje gladi yo banaya nya glom. So the National Democratic Congress NDC on Monday etched the legacy of its founder, former President Flight Lieutenant General Rawlings, into the institutional history of the party by officially renaming its national headquarters in Accra, Jerry John Rawlings House, and unveiling a bust in his honor. The ceremony, held on June 22 to coincide with Rawlings' birthday, brought together President John Dramani Mahama, senior party executives, members of parliament, ministers of state, members of the Council of State, traditional leaders, diplomats, party faithfuls, and members of the Rawlings family. And the event marked one of the most significant tributes paid to the late former president since his passing in November 2020, and underscored the NDC's determination to preserve the legacy of the man widely regarded as the architect of the party. All right, Jejo Nyagalfialo, Nyavio, a chofia how Adam Rohan, Dukoprola, South Apahamano Lao, Ukatapu Fura Fumacho, Alava Odu, Jibazana, Jeje Hopo Blan, Andrevo Shekecho, no Yado, rolling back Pautuma, Patia Catapa, Tanopa, Emantro, Ozu, Jeje Rawlings House, Jeje Opera, again. Kajijanto Malafuma, Ganwa, Miron Kujio. Yo, running chop in a joint of my African Legba. Mahama calls for renewal of Rawlings' ideals. Mahama Puma Macho. Nella la Kajabe, Yo Kaji Jeje Horse, Yo Kuwaho Hajis. Right. Christo Safo militia or private security. Christos Asafo militia or private security. Bananya Rubia Mapman. Amo le Christos Afan Wagbon John de Macaoni. Which man on your alo Badagbonio, Luxi Badagbonio Gaho. Right, the Miazoran Gapo, the Hawk newspaper. The Hawk newspaper. MPP rebels, demand Kennedy's head before 2027 showdown. NPP rebels, demand Kennedy's head before 2027 showdown. Okay, Kennedy Japan of that telephone upon all of attention of my talk at Munyam. Yay, global. Afare Congia. MPP jo we awon la be yo she for yin son yai nya chi manolane so ta pe ha mo no lo yo ko uchu do national bo po batagba o aroduko tapi pe Kofito Potono, Jikatan, Yaili, Otepe, Copra Kajer, conjugant to a Makoko, MPP, Boom Blockatawa. Hey, that's anti-party behavior. That's anti-party behavior. Make it Bunyama. Tennis miracles about you. Richard Ahiagba, Hiawafung, Bamara Kermbo Patio. Justin Kodia Protover Hay, Amukro Woman Yako, Yara Patiame. MPP rebels demand Kennedy's head before 2027 show down. Ebe now for a car. So Fifia Kukakawasere next year, June. Bobo Rokyo, Garo Rokyo, Mawuro, Kojibo, Nana Koyajo, Bibi Bessi, Nana Grajo. And we talk about myself, community, Gag Bashakuna for France, and Haramojo, Yaka. Galasho, Mananina, Gunami. Eh? Yo, Dennis Miracles, Abuajiba, Pendevio, Tanin, Dennis Bahe. Political power is power from the top. America, da corner, international show, Maniakuto Kuma guy one. A man knew me a Kabubu as the numbers of flag break policies, Cockla Pon, and Yake. Can Miss Samuel Bow, Miss Sam of Vunakman. All right, Goldboard wins gold in London. Goldboard wins gold in London. World gold giants throw weight behind Ghana reforms. Okay. We're gonna bota Jeshi home la Rukishimo Boaza Woro Homo. Tafifia Mira Kaka London, Nivaho award Uber Global won't tapagu. I never shakacha Damo Donku, Yokweda Jeshi. Energy reforms driving industry and trade. Jinapoba and Tapo Womiole. Le Miapo a moment now Jokari Plato. Ukatana Ashichanyao, Ukakamre, Amapepe when you come. Abredu sounds red alert over food reserve cash gap. Abredu sounds alert over food reserve cash gap. IGP sends crack squad to Nkwanta. Special unit deployed as tensions flare. Residents fear for safety. IGP ma Oromoran Kwanta, Povitol and Kwanta Fiami, Fung, Araba, IGP Agayafma, IGP He, but National Pomilo, National Pomi Panton, Delegate. NDC names headquarters after Ronnie's, Ghana, England. Cliffhanger, they settle all scores tonight. Floods claim 18 lives in central region. Okay, telegraphic manya ye yarakona fumonya ho putro ga blorurami. A whole telegraphic. Nyajo joy tachanya apology Mr. Sanchuka and Dima also Klefia. Let's leave them. Delegate. UTAC threatens strike over welfare issues. That's a good story. University Teachers Association of Ghana. Sukuko ko per dollar ogbon bene to kokola ma trukore onchi yo per ganya yo per design per nya yo ogbon yo le o mo madana yo bo yo na pasere jinga po mo ma no yo chi piga da shi o do mo wa tu do po ano ko mo wona plan. All right, Edu Bohin trial investigator details how 49.1 million moved to private account. Edu Bohin trial, Edu Bohin kakbonya. You know matatama le fuma. Eyak number amava didasefo the enchi over ojibo bufaba nyang fiti wala ka ala say ko wadi cho fiaba ga 49.1 million so a jola ji rufa gaja rufa vaide Edu Bohin bo. Okay, and this renames HQ as JJ Ronnie's house. Tension rocks Bantama MPP over electoral album. Chairman Fifi Mensa addressing the media at the party office. MPP Bantama Toma Masomaso region lave. Umono no gonsemo. Over Makenya Maka. le ntoma me ke do kwa kalisia me ke le parti ameke attend d'accord ajebe no d'accord comment je bo d'accord banta manya mo na jima ke ba ji deligai okay mi fo na mi afanya jojo gbaro mo jojo ta le chronicle me akponka le chronicle me dia Burma Sapon reconnects with constituents. Burma Sapon reconnects with constituents. All right. Ajwa Safo shooting saga. Safo Akofena in police custody. 2 pistols, cash of ammunitions recovered. Safo Akofena ikanye Safo Ajwa Safo ofo kanye kantan kan vichichia o fanya olefia. Ole Akofena imiko jenya gome imicho wunha ke gbara petade chona mona pipiara kokoko ko khron mi ko don nyo mgbegbele ke musipa gbana veliata bienne pipi bienne ye oza hetso ankhrom mi musipa gbana veliata bienne pipi bienne where the Lord will fight for you and you will only have to be silent. The Lord will fight for you and you have only to be silent. Bana pota kwa mose pa bana velia. Ta viene pipi viene. Pues maunya pipiare ke blobe. Majabe na apli ukiota. Yehowa mau awano. Majabe na be ya pa oni rukiare rukitave mo. Maunto awapana. Zikbo Yehowa mau awapana. Nenema chronicle wu epatanya umwe nenema micho ya chuchu balo mo chuchu kwaji ha so wunu le matoni magbo ye mi akoma kudu chuchu ya na meiba nya azorango iga kashi TV amu magbona.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. Mais si dictionary akara azon fi e passé K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language on. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a stomach and never be mutual for. And be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Yala dile ko so mad na apply. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp. Afisi African la. Nya ko no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa conveno. Akwa. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
To ship products from Germany to Ghana, Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male.
I go. Oh, what is? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. Ibarat kau lam romo, kakak tu pui. tanya tuma traditoy ubonye womza kele ne ma fa fam ne ma ta ma tumu ma no chiko wo
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tipanya gbogbo ya wa base hasbena di dina nuna fia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya sura wa bola pasi ko nya ko katara gbe
bo no chiko ku no e plolo
vai batakalo sugo itabi gada de secrement tonto bola pati ke wa busielo weto fira
Ire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
Vola chika no plum. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato motoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi afa pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoda yo le nyadeba vola efi valo akroli le fuda now alele le fuda now tomadu le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti ma klono ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa puto wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneva na kodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Yo miapun kolom medak panami ba milikling miao ple meli etai wona jijam hanya sesemru yo mi gagara anya ikanya nyare ke kakang kong renya pe abro kadaji safua ajwa safu penya cho koshira gbabu baro cho basre vifia elemia pa yaum ala kala kabuba ka kukware iji le miafa station ka yanya English station ka langora mele gyafuma tapal wo jaba be o garamo ma bienya nyase mogome ta mia yire gen nyase ajare ka miafa do hachire kado to tu dada po na ikayiji Christos for mission, leke mwaje gome, for fike mido na nyama, alabana trova, miazorangota, miatroy rege, ne mava.
Fire the shots then.
Who fired the shot?
We understand that Ajwa Safo Kantanka has been shot. True or not?
For that one, I can't tell. And for what I know is that after the introduction of the newly appointed leader to the members, after the ceremony, after the ceremony, they heard a very loud bang. And there are two gates, the northern gate and the southern gate. So they heard a loud bang at the southern gate. And then people were surprised. The bang came again, and then we realized that it was a car which was banging at the gate and wanted to enter. So I think there was a three bang. So she banged, and they got to realize that it was Honorable Ajwa Safo who was in the car. So since she couldn't penetrate the gate through with her car, she went to the northern gate. After that, and then she repeated the same thing. She banged it. She banged the second one, and then the security apparatus, the private security, indicated to her that no, what she's doing will cause casualties because there were still people in the premises. Because when you enter through the gates with your car, you don't know who you can walk over or drive over with the car. So they started firing warning shots to prevent her from coming, from entering the residence with her car. So as to whether they shot her, as to whether she was wounded, we've seen pictures around that. That's not what actually happened on ground.
But why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
Sorry?
Why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
No one prevented her from entering the church. If she had parked and then come down and then indicated that she wants to enter, that would have been all. But
is she not part of the leadership of the church?
Sorry?
Is she not part of the leadership of the church?
No, she's not part of the leadership of the church.
And when the decision of who becomes the leader of the church came up, was she not invited?
Yes. The Council of Elders, as far as I know, wrote to all the children, of the founder. But then, according to the Council of Elders, none of them honored the invitation.
But
that's the big I've gotten.
She was on her way to the church premise, not so.
No, not the church premise. The place we held the ceremony was held. It's not a church premise.
Right.
Yes.
What place is that?
The place is a residence built by the son of the founder.
And why did she have to force her way through? If the church leadership indeed wrote to her to be present.
I think that question should be directed to her. I cannot answer as to why she wants to force her way there. Because if you want to come and then you get down, you want to come, no one will prevent you. So as to whether if she was prevented, then why should she force her way through? I think she should be answering the question.
Who fired the shots then?
Who fired the shot?
We understand that Ajwa Safo Kantanka has been shot. True or not?
For that one, I can't tell. And for what I know is that after the introduction of the newly appointed leader to the members, after the ceremony, after the ceremony, they heard a very loud bang. And there are two gates, the northern gate and the southern gate. So they heard a loud bang at the southern gate. And then people were surprised. The bang came again, and then we realized that it was a car which was banging at the gate and wanted to enter. So I think there was a three bang. So she banged, and they got to realize that it was Honorable Ajwa Safo who was in the car. So since she couldn't penetrate the gate through with her car, she went to the northern gate. After that, and then she repeated the same thing. She banged it. She banged the second one, and then the security apparatus, the private security, indicated to her that no, what she's doing will cause casualties because there were still people in the premises. Because when you enter through the gates with your car, you don't know who you can walk over or drive over with a car. So they started firing warning shots to prevent her from coming, from entering the residence with her car. So as to whether they shot her, as to whether she was wounded, we've seen pictures around that. That's not what actually happened on ground.
But why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
Sorry?
Why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
No one prevented her from entering the church. If she had parked and then come down and then indicated that she wants to enter, that would have been all. But
is she not part of the leadership of the church?
Sorry?
Is she not part of the leadership of the church?
No, she's not part of the leadership of the church.
And when the decision of who becomes the leader of the church came up, was she not invited?
Yes. The Council of Elders, as far as I know, wrote to all the children, of the founder. But then, according to the Council of Elders, none of them honored the invitation.
But
that's the picture I've gotten.
She was on her way to the church premise, not so.
No, not the church premise. The place we held the ceremony was held. It's not a church premise.
Right.
Yes.
What place is that?
The place is a residence built by the son of the founder.
And why did she have to force her way through? If the church leadership indeed wrote to her to be present.
I think that question should be directed to her. I cannot answer as to why she wants to force her way there. Because if you want to come and then you get down, you want to come, no one will prevent you. So as to whether if she was prevented, then why should she force her way through, I think she should be answering the question.
Mami cho mila muganto mafiako mi vai gere kamakuli Joy News alabe mi de daro home cho mkatutu twezi kakira kwa aje chamba oba gate ka kwa mila fuma enye gate ka nye Kristo safo ha wa gate bagbo vele te poma enye fi que apostle Kojo Safo kantanka pe vichia e que domo le fi ave muno la na ha tu menye church ya le nye mogaka nye te pato here que o te bana te pa ka dranyo nye o te peni o pana la fuma albo na pogo poma wana ro le fuma ka ajo koshragbe le ndima jo Safo varo fuma que yo va getare tutu tatu magmegbito ko yo varo fuma kwa acho hu ko lo geta nanama enya di mema avwa afla ala nyanyama ni ba nyang de la bo mala nyanyama ni ba wo no la ye doge yo nglo bana do de apostle kantanka pe vio katang lo to be le hikama lo to be yo amachanga ko director gaka o do motora ke maro baranchia lo va kpekpe mamo ta wona no jin ko Safo ba fuma ke ngmana be agbon jolo o roshi je ba o me la lo ne nyore ne didi lo fuma be agere ke pe nyara shimu na gara mori ale no mama na mojo na we mori ko ba dura re eji alove ye tu dada be nyama me kokom tututu ai enma kumemile afan kpolo no sama be enma kumemile demi enwa ma jon vivi da afi kemiro fi alo mu ikajimiro kwafi anya we ba mu ikajimiro kwafi anya we adwosafo akuyohu ko a gate crash be agere depa avoa oyi bloba male agbonu blodo mo na ha male yo dumana no kanwi katutu tunna ono ba bia man katutu tuena adwosafo akuyohu atwa gate crash alaba doko yoba no park ko adi allo okay amagawe yen oroma hi ekpe awudidi zo sonle anigba tototo yo nyan fo manwe ke nkina fi ma le breki ko yo nchimo okpabo yo fo mne amelke le getamu ha fia midore enyama jojoma ta migbona enyama mojoge now nyeme connection are kpomo ekare cho le enyama fi ka kacho le nya wi ka tutu jo afi tu dada je koma bele ame ka de twagba enya kai kecho akamek mi afuma ka cho ka ba mi ka vasa ba povito poto va le Kantanka Junior Safo Kantanka Junior kenya kofena ikenya agbonga yi na ha maye ke orofia no Kristo Safo hakata ngulugodo nyama ele nyabofia swift action swift response uba ona miya we intova onya yobo na vako iko intova va ye povito li alobo yodi alobo jama kukukli now emano refia nyama na obelio amaraba demo gbeni ora shinchi halo ebo shooting incidents or cases where they are very highly felonious offenses that
find the shorts then
haraka malaka chacha makbele nyapa nyajojo kaka po mamneo bobe nkemi ata tofika ta finami so akofana nchi ha bibana nyama joge le majijime ke nyare kare ha ike le miagbo nyewe agba enye nkeke Ghana le abufuge agba nye nkeke Ghana le abufuge ta Ghana kle England Ghana kle England le abufuge ta ni nafu abe ganyina bibana ball makboge albenye pe du koplo la ha pokparento Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman egbochu Canada Joraima onye egboba Canada na ball gbanto ekofua Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman no fuma alove a chair Black Star so now it was so beautiful mikbo shots mokata vai agba ball elegy ka Thomas Partey ikini mapa midfield America nona package otitina sesere ba ile pepledu ye baro misan ko ha be vairo ta yole pepledu na yofu abu agba ofu ga ba ganyi na nyalo TV gbaro na ba TV gboko akpoge ke nyama enye enya dranyi deka ke yikama joge mie agbona pati pafuma fa yide difference ke o make her yaro on the light side after me political issues right do expecting you can constituency secretary in the national New Patriotic Party and your constituency secretary in New Patriotic Party in yama pepele gba wona le political segment a miakbo nu ikemi se senfia ba pojimi ka gbana banka ka gwa to ma wo data kere kadife ashijiwe na sana siarfa ka ko la karieza na via siarfa ka silieton le peswa vearo ejijege le pojimi agbana banka ka gba to ma ejo cheaper Johannes and I see allo fare ka sifia pessoa blanyi boton eje ajufa afaji makbeto majugamie bona ta mahudu machuchuria alaba nyamakbekbea na garejini.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. But si dictionary akara azon fi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language on. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a American nenya be view mo jura po. And be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nela dile go so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa conveno akpe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon tom.
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. If I don't quit them, go to put. Tanya too much try to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
then my fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
that another Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katikwane gbogbo ya wa. But the husband didn't know fear. Koko ina duna fa gara wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya no kuro mu a bola pasi ko ko nya ko katara gbe
bo mo no ti ko ku no e ploro
va bataka no sugo ita bi ga da de fikremon tonto bola pasi ko wa wusielo weto fira
mo yire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plo na zama Fiva nana kama furaga nawe mashama nazi
nyapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
mauna yura vola to onaula masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi afa pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola basenta afima mi apoda yola nyadeba vola efi valo akururi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima apoda wotu kame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva apoda come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonyo
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima ante wan pon mi le powerhouse le ho ne ina de Frajet Hotel nye le moji tututututu ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afi ma emie le nyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Yo miapo polo akuna mi bati bandi bona enya miapo ambokba hikele miabogba enya amatohiare ike egbenjimanto o bati bi jiba ke honorable Bragdo ikenye agbeleji glane impipito le miapo ho tichina machanto me enya makope honorable Wizo. Yo mi gagara nyawbo akafi mi agara political no dunyawma egba Ghana boku ta mi mokpomba Ghana na wontefe alabe Thomas Partey ikenye miape midfielder jabagba to na Ghana nyala gbagba ike metemfu bogbanto alabe o medemonyo Canada ba ele fuduko mele America komi mokpomba Ghana petana gategba nke ahụ ina po agbocho yanchi nyanya no tokpo na ball ya oro
yo ma samon pop ma ato dina numbalo ni ato dina mo tokpo mo na chola ato na MVP na tigre ko kata yes, everybody Ghana for ya kama ndio Ghana for jicho nyayo kuna make mabolole ni napona ni jicho kata kwa jana de Ghana bila sababu because the obvious reasons. Joto ya okola. Akaba venture kule. Alebe ni antomi ponu ya nu ya okola. At the World Cup stage. Me nu machimi lo. Abe abo other African countries. When put it work late almighty Brazil shock for Cameroon. African country bo alebe. Akenu ya mi punjo la jajepela me teji you sports analyst me ya ka ne ko group ke me le of Panama. I think I've been there at the weakest, so to speak, in the group. No, you have to deal with your having me done to Americana, Panama. You may now look at the magic baby meeting in England. Okay, at the Puma dormant, with the Puma, yeah, about I'm a summer with that one when you mom bobe nya jowa onuka wa apo game because I'm all page then we am alegbebe nya me ro we o me be the men of Ghana kake because of the disappointment you gave our face they won't be ready and am decide nya take it on the light and again for the sake of I mean was so high Our boys should disappoint us by performing better. Then we don't control. Corporate England.
They should disappoint us
Yeah.
by performing better.
Because yes, no disappointment because I don't think after the match, first match, no comment. Hope mellows you. The performance they will be a disappointment rather. I don't know. At least no matter what they go, no. Only England. Give me a cover. I think if that is done, we are going to the next stage.
Yeah.
Yes, we have a team because in Jola, no go front there. This
yeah.
Speed. Speed. American don't speed. Our match and go very
yeah.
And then sit I don't go well American. When I don't call somebody like that, okay. If you want to into speed, I think the front will be better than we have those
initial. Yo, mi apa nukola politician o mau pulang mamhe. Bragdo yenye balayiglana NPP le miapa ho chichina mechianto mafia kata alabe yenye mapopo tohe yikala bonye. Agba e wo sport Spanish donam ke mi jajamro benya po abo agba na ko ganyi ye ni abo apoge. So we are expecting our team to do exceptionally well. We are expecting a disappointment. So disappoint our disappointment by making it a pride for the nation. All right, me agere akrapa nyarome. Emoji mcho Sunday wasere fifia enya subo. Ni katutu makodare to mafia quickly yenye ajosafo for tu dada. Matolare nyangu kaka mechutu to bedatu ajosafo alo nkatutu ejo makokona mi haro na nyajo leka fifia nyajo palo liza nyajo to la obli tata manya mama joge mi alo kaka tuzaza am toheo am gao dunyahera gato propo tufa zaza le Ghana ikanya muto tue muye ike na de umahi na mau de medine ajosafo kafa na lafia reba numa ko majima ko jemia pona wa gomema ble akofe na ikenye Christos afofo no la pelele ale o li bogwere alo ale o intova ko li nya gere dynamics mama be asadom Ghana honorable
yo magbolebe in fact the nyape election yaota I mean the constituency election, so I'm much involved. Ta nyameton dutuna enya tututu magona jefe ni ke kuma boko nyabe over 2 in fact me do apome very late that day afa mesebe over na de join na mata man wa biase over ajwa safokole enofia o over masomaso de le na makaji tuvadi manye nene ma ole no afio because gere yenu ko mbora nyebe amedeke me ko punya ko so na punya yo oto emega bali nyebe nadele sigbe he anye toto do anan awonuka agbere efode sere ku fomela amenka ametichiole kehe nyebe na debe ato dara nene mala otibo wanan akobele ka wa be fafa awonuka avada etu nyama akpobe miafe duliseo ntokra dasire jibe amagbetore sa ko aton awonuka a protect dokio nenyebe enyeka kulumile fifila ni aton abaho dasije gba na ikenye license etu ikenya anomiasi labe ake do stable do le be ya golbe tule si ko tala aje dare ya me ko ala manye be nenye be me wode jojo yenye ju hala awonuka azu enyanao ya hijo fifila abele ko ola mao nyamanya nouveau ka gbegbe sera wa ho nyewe etu akọ nuka akọ de alo akọ solve issue sera ele do zigere nu ike megboro na nyewe asusu be semele do ka ke ne ejagole seje po anyabela ese ole nu ikwe va de na fu zigere nyebe sometimes alo yi ado yi la ese abe ale ke jeje gbelenjo be all animals are not the same. Zigere numa we ba jona e wasusu be semelu. Enu ya ejo fifie no nyebe manu amesito alo amede ke pepe mede kamele siu. E ke ba jatu ki fifila la. Kacha na kwadala konstra be gbera e wonuka. Ejo ika home hoho. Akeke pepe me file la miesita aye lawyer chofe o he to fi o be injanshi le fi o troto me ho. Nu ke komia bia nyebe nyemanya aleketa isi zigere mi no go nyafe security ole nyafe what is the name or no intelligence nyafe intelligence agency CIDO yeah and other intelligence ole nyemanya nu kata o meton pick this intel at the heart of Accra as early as possible kaji over degenerate into the chaos we are seeing ni kama bia nyebe nyemekana jibe for now this type of field asusu be for akacha na para ko ezu enyaga bo ta ola medo ya nyemekana jibe ameyo katansi tamedodo malela over for all you know la amedo ka be the corner meda opunku na no anyiba be bubuda be de ko gbele eke ni menyema wedio da me mayala ono pe egbele oko efe ne egbela medo agbeto me bo ho ba le o jela ewo lele mana amia onuka agaba agbagbe odomu ta nu ke magbele nyebe nu ya jo me nu onyo jebe ne jo ala be e ko to na yila ne nyebe nu ya to gbele na kwa che mesen de ke jo zigere nu ke magbele na nyebe amedele de wa tro me gbe voisin pe e fi wa ba je apakude ojilao pe keseno nula menye nu ike damedio eje mi antoche me kare jibe ajo asafo le fimi I don't want to believe be aglobe entirely ifofo keseno nu ma no mera imadonu ka imatonu wana de kwa lo imatonu agbeke aja agbeji na yo ne ma yen no bi esusu oche ta no jole asusu me kayo do ma hi wa mede o to tefere ba ye tukidale boom e ba to tefere bo wonuka elo ta ekamya wete ta wa bugo be ambeki ojo no cage okaba so that to me fafa onuka ava no to mame mera sema wala
yo mi afan pola choy kawaya wala safo kantan kajuno ika unya bida ko akofena gato we vionye maglo choy me pa shoji wa na makbo safo kantan ka bo makbo kan te po wo fo bo ye ko achuba amagble onye kashino mu ale gbegbe kashino na kantan ka gbona convoy ke mo no na no dere ko at 2025 cars abo huyo ke nto kuna into ewo ta wo ru aba limousine o charonchi ga hu matona na la police barrier matona khana to buto nyin to mo kaswa to buto bobo Christos afopa magama gbona police okata yokono na to buta okata roje ofu to buta dadi ta hu okata langone at that time ro ba free the speed ke okogbona ta ke povito wo we langono anye convoy wan povito wo we langono afio ta no nye necessary na kwa fia ofu mo kata jo povito na to mi je because Mike Zam ashiro mo voti nya vua nya vuvi konyere nya wa bakre kona ma e mo nkwa banya jojo ba ikika menye ya tare na bi akpo me le fuchi ama safo ajua safo e ma le fuchi ama jeje mi otibi yema no ile fuchi ama gba mesha me dondo la ba nyi kpo me la ta ke bo sese na mi ara na ya don kunya ho horo dita ena na afiti atina kpo tv ato ma la pa ya na adondo doko fafa afu gbable o mu paparo ko lenya pokpo bi mi no nya te hoto abale kenya le ne nsu strong de liamo na strong cho nya gbo akukule ka nyama senana ka haracho ora shinchilo ora shinchilo aka minya ba obo atahaya atragbo ba azo abam awodo ka beramanchia enovia yo ko le wowemo akofena eleme wow yo che we maleta safo kankan ma ai safo kankan ka pa vi ikenya adjo safo domi kwa benya constituency for former member of parliament yete for sedina mareva lefia domi kwa benya constituency so my nyao nyula that happens to my constituency in Akrata tamekle nyi alema amazing michona chon kumane re nyonwo bubuta pleto sesema gaba yo efu bablo kokata you know and novia yo la okata of a picture ma de bubute fa ochon bank kumana la beseblo we are presumed innocent until guilty nya onye yo ta kudos to the police nya fota
ekwa etode ka view egero ekwa be leke enba bia un kekele yo de okwegero ta po etode ka view egero he otome galiola yo ke ba kwa do ki onje which is very bad very very bad po mi atome leo mi ke mi ato tatitre na lo yo va go stand for la e ke me galiola yo do no protect fifi la ake egbe hi otome galiola ne amedele auto discuss that to be discussing your father in this I don't think
in this light
it's good for you on tobe they should realign quickly because me don't go be enu ya togbe ne Mohammed diola echi ma for my voye ya because okwo adwa safo ha eviolesi ta okponu ya joro o dadaji amema ha violesi ta some of this you know take time ko ever soon okay if te pe ko jole ke sigelele le nu ojo na emi on so film amere to do la fi the same thing joro gbo pode nwenye nu ka nya de won ta nenyebe nu ike wo asron to nu ya jome nu ike je ma asron to me nyebe ya togbe maga jole ga kuro ko menu be amere nya ku eyojo amere nya amiema mianu joku e kojo the okisino is just bad looking at these things on a covenant any. All right, so mi afan pola ni okpo mi la yen ka shinoto fuola mao gbongla Christo safo pogoma dola nunola ga ike yile togbe ogbo iko mo podi haro fo nyanya amaro ba biama ka kwate fola ka nogola ati mi ado nyama nwa ngamo suba mafo beda shile ka baro cho mario ka gatem ashinya ba mako na bo pireko kama troba nyajo nyama mna megakasiti ya official fi nyaja kwa 0242670773 noma izama mole messages onova mahron magbona
Ago oh what is that go join
oh very ma bara kwela mromo keke tu poi tanya tuma traditoy ubonye womza kele oh ne ma fa fam ne ma ta ma tu ma no chiko wo bro
dar na dia brama fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukonye gbogbo ya wa but hasbena didile no na fia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontam nya no fura wa mola pati ko nya ko katara gbe
bo no chiko
vai batakalo subo itabi gada de secremonton to vola pati ke wa busielo weto fira
Wayire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plan na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona una masa
Vola pachika la chike drapo kata alo gado pa doyopa me le apublawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apo le old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa madashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola efi valo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now tomadu le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti ma klono ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka ma tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on
kadon kwejiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu
Nusilence ever English dictionary nyatepe but si dictionary akara azon fi e passer K Nusilence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view and you know the view can le basic level and you know American le SHS and you know American le university allo le language na nya make manya be view e be a strong be ha Nusilence ever English dictionary and you know ha am sia make na nya be di mo jura po e be a strong be ha Nusilence ever English dictionary and you know mama na le din le go so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria opo to le kana WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Nusilence ever English dictionary akwa conveno akwa Nusilence ever English dictionary enyon tom
to ship products from Germany to Ghana. Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Fraget Hotel go tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Bona eya owe join no tata dareji achona mado akwana mi nyawe akwana mi anchi mi wona wa mo vivim ke dai kele to menye safo wa tuyo de afi mai don jojopia ko nyam ko ka gareji Bruno Foley ke da nyam kanye kwaram to ne ya ba ko chichina me chame ntoma for a member of parliament alo so takahama nola Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu ye had them economic placa ba mia afiam to honorable Wezo
yo ape the gran bola ko ni sala barka and na ona wede Kofi Potosu dia ba ko ni ko be ina parliament yo wa ko 7 years campo Kenya miambe na amarana kawali yo member muli kwa ni kemi nya cha pia hizi no wa ba kwa asilo bas kamera ni kema wo bilo ni chwa ni kema bilo na vya bubu au han wa pogo mamanya amerika ko alo ni no titi tabawali kawa kawo niwa mesi amabubu wakata o pasile kwa mamule nuna mesi o wa class no plus ya ba ko ni so de siale na poco mele ya ba piesi ma ave ina mo titi ya ni ya
ya safu kanaka for tu dada ala fofoku America fofo te kono ga ba hamno la le question mage nyamo ha do le mafio cho interstate succession lawyer kaba lo emu nyela dodo manu kokoko
we na ka pama aba lu jiremuri aba oje sa go ma le ti aba go le tema e ko nyawo LGBTQ TTT plus voilà io ho guarda le cagne mamma de Django oppure dopo non so quando mi hanno cagati a quello ma a volte le proprio l'occhio io come si parlo cagne sei che o mamma de futuro avrà la roba per fatana asina po ti ade ti ka fuai ambo kama anye ni ka kama na mi uta ni ti je mu nye la ke abe le sapo kata ka pe nyama afato to a lo nyare yi afi baye ngbe ta iwo ba be pe mi ala ka jo sapo ha enam bia ju awo na nyame no to kwa di afato la nyam yo pa ma ko ni na ma la ni wa ko pa pe ni anti na ba do ko afi ni ko la ba wa a po a ta pa ko pa ka va na fi ko na ma super fe yo ni yo dalia ka ta wa ko ta dia fi amme nya no bubunato ajosa foi che basoto da come nato di qua venia toba ia e nyama bubulo na no ia la fi ba sebe Cristo asafo habo to so habo o yigo be yiwa ado abeto city abale ke kwa goli yo se ai mana ma wacho ake to my boy the man go with them e o mal nya he da ke no cheo na ape ka tere ti nya be private service o tomo ko abawo san le magbe mu yo ko la mande ko le sia na kare be kana ko se sa dora ya bo be practice dora aloshi and then private security atoku ma be ameke kwa kuma na mwe na wia na leke fo oni ko mi aka seti leke nya ko sa aleke ha manya tukule a hawo mu ba za za le le ma o mi be ma no adresa kwa e no me ba u be ko me bo no la ma driver ma o ka ke
Yina bo da twato megbe. Akobanya yin to no kwa kumo. Ta munya na leke po. To the extent that to na va pare na lo apano per tua che they go beyond the measure. And we can assemble even if you prove self-defense, your defense not be higher than what your opponent is using. What I told my boy, I will fear dashing. You come away, I'm a quarter was here. Accident that you when you're man down self-defense. That kept young double you woman and normal way. But color and carry you to the farm color and neighbor upon color may two me call our Africa. So now we have Amania Fufu, a lot of chonko woman, a lori care, a patoma, I never ever said low. I bet you can corner never did no private security should not be only essentially, you get a private security. I will have to talk to what you think. I have to tell them and you're very bad. Color you need. I got a cover of my dresses and to go out to be top dresses and no matter how a garage and if you have a private security on the mouth. I mean, get to many
Akba miafa nkbola miafa nchocho gbo nyavam eji jonam alebaba Frank Kumaro message ram good morning Tony, I like your shirt. Thank you for that. Do you know that the late father of Adjosafo owned and operated a private security company which provides protection and protocol services just like the military? Their late father owned a house at Atonsu Agogo in Kumasi. Anytime he's around, the security guards will block every road leading to the man's house. They carried heavy guns and sometimes fired many warning shots. They actually have guns. All right. Thank you for a message. Yeah, my area, Akoba private security company, Apostle Safo Kantakashi Kum. Nyama doubt it because my banda kukantanka kwa vuva ina fu black on kwa nuo for the traffic man. Police hanonango. Police akofobe hey get out mije. Then wa abaka president egbonane. Daro puna tobut puna no pa for makako back to na pa vaina. Ememe kwekbo ni o po yo brother. So this man himself he was larger than life. Anyway, so thank you for your message. Esinamdo message. Good morning to you, Tony. Please, apart from the tankas, do they manufacture guns too? I don't know. All right, Kobido message. The Safos were not handcuffed, but Sikani was handcuffed. Like I always say, just check where you're coming from before you misbehave. Okay, no, that's how TV ajinima bo nyeka gbomraka nyike Ghana Police Service called that TV ajimikwe before the handcuff amaro akobe amagound or amagato handcuff. Interesting, but in any case Ghana Police Service global ain't ever Ghana mentoba the handcuff. I don't understand. No, ain't ever ta mimagawa beka police don't come na mo. I'm not handcuff. Yeah, so that's the practice. If you know how leper unstrong come know how leper la come high na you over back mo come do mijo e ko na kworo kpu o ga handcuff na mo ga kana never now resistance better your handcuff my mabuwe na buo ki na buo nwira o mo be handcuff. I think so. All right, maybe two more messages on this call. We move into something else. Okay, Togbi Volta announced, well, good morning to you, Tony. Can you see that this man trusts the God more than the God of the church? He's going to succeed. LOL. Well, okay, handcuff Lashinama. No, handcuff. All right, but Nyema, thank you for your message. Many into the tour, many have encountered Uncle my young coffee. May I so for a year, can you know? I made that I often I the tour. Obey for guarded the tour. So that's it. Okay, good morning to you, Tony. This is Sky Yesuvi Agbedo. So when the church released their press statement, it was nonsense, right? Have you realized? Well, I couldn't even study that so much. So that's it. Okay, so she last one. Good morning to you, Tony. Tina, I'm going to follow me. About the ammunition part, they kill me. But why was the lawyer exempted? That fabricated story published the slow Ghana Police Service. Okay, thank you for your message. Okay, another one just came. Do they manufacture do they manufacture guns to Rambo and 007 don't even use all this ammunitions mentioned for war and operations? Oh, all right, thank you for the message. Jonas Mensabe, take care of yourself, else police will not wait for you to report yourself before arresting you. They will arrest you in a Rambo style. Good morning to you, Tony, and your team. I really like the conversation. All right, thank you for your message. So many messages. Me that she's talking kanchi. Honorable Nyare Gallery Agoshonia.
Oh no, you know I am not feel like I talk for me like ne enya Jordan Mejila. I join a strong day to me. Make a Jimmy strong to me when you ya obo akpa. Amede kukola. Amedo ya lawa konokozu enuka sikadu. Ya hockey. Numa ola especially I mean but I think we should learn something from this and the number.
Kafla gboro ho gboro lo nya fu yan ku asrefia le po mu lo fo manama polema e ba be visa ba ni ade de ya obo ifa voro oje gbagla be na ta to e pe kafla krafa si bo si entre safu kantanka hade final do won tepo khalifion nui ento kan ro munyam popo tin ro ga de scope ya na karma wuya cause ne se pon kwale on fon le bugbe ma dom chama wu kaka manya na separia ka te watch kan tanka tv po ro ko to jigbo no ta gboro ho gboro problem ya de e pe wo mi ta de e pe wo tv ya pe wo conversation ya ne nto pon follow phone na le ko apobo agbaje ja no de view makokoko ta enyen so na nyen tuna la gbere wo don't you put your house in order na mo bona Ezekiel ema Isaiah bona Ezekiel put your house in order before you die no nyo no pami okwa no je nya ma ko atagbema
like tell my boy then let go ni one well some can talk my boy to America for help one but talk talent and na link to my demako states fund institutions should not sit down and watch some of these things. Kafra was there. About 2D. In America, and then the Ministry of Defense and Interior has come up with a statement and a ban. The Ministry of Interior then, it can open me a cattle in G, and what do private security guard, all other public talk. America told my boy, the where were they? Where were they? Are these institutions against only the less privileged? Fiki will know. Kaka to the extent that private security and active to your point, oh, license, the Ministry of Interior,
that
is my point. That you can't judge the private security. Now, you can't the man. As Bala Kafra, the Mawa Yamaboka, Yamamawi, and Yamanabia, we have the money to come and Yamona. Because Kafra, we all private security, Jordia, or Jordania, Yamakati, Pokito, all you to get simple because the type of pistols I saw in the pictures
actions and
the videos, I'm not sure our state security even have this. As I said, that we should allow some of these things to happen to even go this far. Kafra, see the people who are wielding these guns are people who also are like us. Some of them will have mental health issues, some of them will have emotional issues. How is the state able to monitor these before guns are in those hands? Apostle Gordon supported the way these are some of the things that happen. They will fire at the least cases.
Akpa yo afinya gerefanya gamba just 1 second mitonga JJ hope bla Andrevo sheke na do le backbow to a choice kawai algo fifi ami pa national headquarters anye Jerry Rawlings house abo JJ onogba ni manyana abo moga de konkore national monument arikeju kaya nya political monument ayita. Just a quick one.
Posthumously, Kafra, Nadola, Bananian, Banadugi, Abi, Belekenya Betis. I can't come out Power, a Shaman Lando, India, Via. Ta probably Via, I don't know when I'm at a young to be he can be for quality. When you to a bed to you, and you at the Cocoy for dog, playing you like Cocoy because I'm da nya disi to le bobo bele mi ape to be ti be Victor ka yenye afato charity of Rawlings e mi pom iko wo na gara to ko nya te pe iko na ba o be no do nya pe FPS o de ka be no ko charity aga iya ye metio ake no kwata kwa na afato kufo and we named it after kufo. I don't know if you remember. Yeah. Da e ya na ga lagbo ake mi ma di be history should forget it. How? After our dynamica as the NDC party, we want to like Mangole keep his memory forever. And this is what I think our people, the opposition parties, should also learn from us.
Yeah, no, me here picture JJ do the picture. That's the wrong picture for an editor to use. Miza betata eko one of the newspapers oji. I think that's what we should be projecting. Mikbo omi Albert du Corporal John Dramani Mahama Vadebo Bunchi afuma oglolaba yenya ba JJ malong miao daka. You do your way, so not this JJ. I mean, oh, that's not the same. Yeah, I think HowWeDay.com news has the picture, the right picture depictive of what happened yesterday. That's that. Let me pay my dad TV JJ to Koprolabai, the Bubunchi, among of Mazan, the whole party hierarchy, members of the Council of State, so many people. So maybe we'll leave that one. MPP Tonhala Fiat Amina Shinam. Agbogumefia Puncho, Honorable Metro, Agbogumefia Toga for the Funcho. I'll have Toga for the Funya Regi, Majibe, Mia Agbo, Afi, Agare, Dadare, Kadik Blood over Enyaoji, Mia corruption. So corrupt citizens are termites eating foundations of development. After that's the 14th, right? The Agbogumefia of the Sogli state and president of the Sogli traditional area. I don't.
I don't get here. Okay. All
right. Okay. Hold on.
On more serious note, we are in this war. The encouragement we're going to go war. You see, Amegedolea or hate Rawlings because of the NDC. Or feel where I like or do NDC. If I know, say, I'm a do historian, do I'm a teacher over, yes. Like, who believe in even the state money and opportunity called NDC. That I'm on Kamagero, or hate, look at that for that one alone. Then I'm a hate too because of something. Even at this and more than they are there on no, I do. I would tell your hate me. And you're going to get a bear, and you're review them when I'm over Yes, that was when we know Kennedy and Japan had discussed even Rollins do NDC ever do tefedela popochi ke bachi pour le parti am kake nyo kanaji be ele Rollins eji ajo de NDC mula nene ma ji joma no wa fe wonu ka otromegbo kake de la e anya make fan of party eye nebenye eya you yes amegoroje there are other history there were other brains, yeah, actually so. But there were other brains behind. Yes, brains were not behind here. I go make a lengobela a wonuka, a wopole. That epe odious. NDC, top nuka office the deco. Eya manje fele yes. Nando le amema wish wake. Nemenye nu voy o nyola. Maybe no lagbe nuku we akpolo edu eta akpolo ma onuka ime hia ne nemu ma o. I don't say anything wrong. But 92 post the Fourth Republic American President Banto Mitchell ko be 2028 yeah mi wa election for ko yeah Dr. Bawumia ko ko e Morgan de ka is highly possible. No, I'm saying something. A German union take from a tasibu whatever Tony about a second when I'm a Dr. Bawumia for your favor a Morgan de ka obo Jerry John Rollins route allo enuka nui kenye nu prefere na tukola kimine ye wo yala e amaka gborobe NDC to wo ene nema me problema sigbeke NDC resijibifie.
Okay, alright, you match our TV on me let na nema jejem TV aje opopon just quickly ta pick no metata lo betata yiko le national headquarters ko va yo yon fia be Jerry John Rollins house yema ebe nkume ma to koprola mahama ba nyotero ko edebubu amegba pe nono metata nchi allow jebe media house allo journalist na depict enwa ke jochonya akana ba ko amai e wo vato gayi odikua mi na mo ba unfortunate juxtaposition enye naneke edomdo we is a critical thing. And you're going to say me, I'm criticizing using a picture. So that is that. I don't want to fall for that. Okay, Honorable Yonyaji.
So, ko leke nuka JDM le power egba. Ko ya talk po na de ke le befitting ko ko da ku foji. Nemi wonu ma o vice versa. Bubu no na wa ke bi feel FJDM le bi feel the type of politics we do. Mais don't go wrongly solo à la table so ko party mi ko party ko okay you see even SRC president do my fefenya to be a president of a nation Ghana where no say no ko wala amedele ta fele je adirelu meton le ye police no jipa mo ko akaja no say no ko wala ele yo bajo. I feel that yes never to call for life over here click your baba the kemanyema odora the kemanyema odora the kemanyema I feel that because of history like ekwa medele NDC megba amola MPP megba omanya na dekele oyebe UP omanya fika MPP to bajo ake one day nu yale tefe ala amere ekpagba ngobe ameka enya meya kimi onuka obewo once upon a time la mena nsi be but I believe that it is not bad enu vondi onyo onu ya abele ko gbala o ma chugbo awo if you already I think it's a plus.
Apart from that, I
think so strong. I think just opposing this with never to Bola Hoa Nico Takari to Amen. You can talk about Petata. You see,
it's not I don't know. We got the
no commissioning. Never, for instance, when you're president of Ghana. I don't even if you this place. Yeah, I'm a pole bombe. No, a Jawagba do a Veniba TV, a Jawagba. Tamia Onuka, near Debu. Never me one no metata direct fair. Ya amanto wonu se anuvo. Yo be oh, and we are me water and come here. Va, Navada Citella. No one vanako. I go for
Ediwa. Or
the report, the fact. We are speaking to fact. Akufo-Addo me onuka me medu ke ba ko dara.
No, what to continue? You missed out something. To continue.
If you me gbona me Akufo-Addo la, me ye wonuma. E Kenya jobola. E Kenya jobola. Ama o to be o. Enu ya wo nuka o be to continue you. E je yo. Amedeja gbo be continue je you. Amen community no le la no po borehole la. O prefer bra wo mo ala bana that time la borehole la. E yo dem ya community feel be hospital ya Akufo-Addo tura. O me bro Akufo-Addo 100 over 100. O feel be look you wala every night. You disagree with them but then that is all the fair. And we go gbama wala Akufo-Addo didn't do that.
Okay, but you see according to Blomila nenya be kafra eya ne prola Ron is very miawa miawe le friend you alole o genium pom any prola miawe ale kwa be any nya no people you see we are learning from some of these area story to my community ale to coordinate you enter you ayo we no kata pana mabu I mean I will bless you that time we aka do vice president aka do health minister ka all man
aton yije
Kakeli by Bonaro.
Community shara Akpa Valley. Opposition da Mida Sinyama.
Allow my brother to do propaganda.
I'll show you. God is popular. Any naneke, many year NDC MPP na jore na kafla value.
We are
na kufon value ma debu kufon mono gbon se be yamelele gondi me pa ID card ko pona ko mi get a metro mass transport me free ta eyan ba dogo o be NDC MPP nya mama kam wala kufon na mi no yin gbon free. So I like the man. I like the man.
Na weba na ko ba ka no bo na weba no metata darele ko pastor miawe le kokodo ba ya mabanko
abele go wale takura.
No, we know very well Betty and to Koyama na no to na bi le there was a president Rolade he can now award ya to look at the highest man
okay mina shawon
what do na mon
don't we have the phone to me phone polo mi manya na mdogo na nwi o aronya do bleno dokumo feel like cho unfortunate just that position if you are moga journalism from feel like if you are bloggers so kun shan won ka nyate fo ma picture I can azana ma it stands for something and I put Trump down kuma like I like moga ta do ndo we they make the regime unpopular. You know that kind of thing. So please, that's that. Corrupt citizens are termites eating foundations of development. Talk about the 14th. Please, let's look at this thing. The Agbogumepia of the Asogli state and the president of the Asogli traditional area, Togbe Afede, call for a stronger national commitment to fighting corruption. He is calling for a stronger national commitment to fighting corruption on Rawlings's birthday. A man who rose because of corruption, to fight corruption. He warned that corrupt practices continue to undermine Ghana's development and national aspirations. Speaking at a public lecture in Accra to commemorate the birthday of the former president, Flight Lieutenant General John Rawlings, Togbe Afede described corruption as a destructive force that weakens the foundations of nations, a termite that eats development. Matter of fact, in relation to JJ for Fondoreji, alo democratically accepted or elected president. But corruption, black body corruption, because we are not fighting corruption well. It's not strong enough. It's calling for a stronger fight. Honorable, do.
Enuya nyamanya nuka nyatogwe gango fifie. Eke magro me polokpo. Alo eke magro amade ke me bro corruption po. Amo o do corruption pele nyagbe vota o. Ici je vois y que va le nyam ko nyebe segede no be corruption kwa. Enya ka kunye fela ke le fi NDC MPP la me onye corruption. Segbe dati se ba mo ba ko you see, you might want to found la base get a neighbor MPP plan this or Dogola. Opo Taro Never, near Podabe, America corrupt. Tala MPP la about paint and ya go for the city home. And the city are the same thing. Camadele Nyakbon Degala, I'm your continue corruption. He may a political party like a mola, corruption he Kijio Nola, Ekpo Unicapelli, Noviento. The Gamanu look at Gala, Nyombe Fayala, even for corruption, and you may have been Kobu. Eada, you'll be surprised, Bella. Amorotore te fero corruption abroad. They don't have any business to say call. Rob everything about them. But our system is so corrupt. Never system, the whole system we are running is so corrupt where you can't just imagine. As to how we fight it, it's another thing altogether. Because you see, America, you feel a mutual appointment. Ekonucho dadade electricity bill nyaji yeah the women like if you feel a better pay get away prepaidly yeah oba me do fe le jido dum 1,000 Ghana cedis America dollar ECG manya BPN this onyo oba me ma do fe ta na chofi na chok economy ho yila eba do gwa me do 1,000 e ko 100 Ghana cedi kone the corruption. NPP is corrupt. NDC is corrupt. That is the society we have for ourselves. Yeah. Look, never do the public sector. Our politicians will graduate you. Never do the public sector. The corrupt, many politicians are corrupt. I'm looking at it, but one of the reasons I get a method solve amicable. MPP plan this one la oko corruption ko Donald Okuyawe e na tane mutual for instance Brido ever wanted to pay them no fifi or no let no deal with Brido la as a person la over ko MPP ko Donald Brido bela Brido then of any wanted to pay menu la instead no deal with him as an individual la over ko NDC mutone kimi MPP plan this me down so la over the me come here wala menu se gbe me church we am me won move on the menu la Obaje apostle ji obaje bishop ji ba nu kam ye won menu ojo no heto na me apostle to me bela e ba politicians ogbo e ba police ogbo ba de du me vi won menu amese menya no de o menu la oba yi fi agan kun du agan ogbo be ye to die fie ojo fi ye no vie fi la e fi ojo na pola e mo be de onuka e do me bela. For me sincerely I don't see us winning this fight. Because you see, if you look at what is happening around, I don't see us winning this fight unless, and you see, no get more change, Bella. You know, the people committee if people left for the woman at this stage. For me, unless there is some kind of mental revolution, and we have to come here as an adjective, gang, about I describe people, then we come back to power. So it's painful, but that is the hard truth.
Okay. In fact, I like Honorable Dong from the journal. So strong the fiamme, so strong the molestation, corruption, all official. I can meet your politicians of political. I can't if you have corruption, I like 50 more, 15 tonton, if you more. Honorable. It's not about what is corruption about. Corruption technically is to induce a person's action with a gift. If you are a sign game, a sign game, sign all already. Sign. It's a thing now. OSP Harlem. No USP again. Yoke lafma bulletproof cast yoke manyana Ghana road show even OSP. Come on, Nyaho Street, just opposite Dr. Nyaho Tame Close House. A homakra my boy Bomina Shinya TV Jimila Fonya Po.
Man, talk about that. None and I always respect him for this. My dinner Bamondio. Talk about that globally down of one pound, you are sleeping away your wealth. And we sleep more than we work. And that thing, every morning before I woke up with my head back, it ran in my ears. He gets your bed, I went to a point of Enya Busia, can want to put them gota, Enya Naibomole. And you see the other beautiful aspect in every day. Listen, we were here one time. Investors were coming to this country. They said they made provision for what they will come and give government officials. It's part of their budget. You see, corruption is in such a way that it has become part of the hand. It has become part of our life now. If you don't do that, you are taken out. I have the opportunity to work with a politician. And when you don't want to be like the others, they seem to be the odd one. I'm not going to be a honorable. I call proposal. I call them. Oh, if you never that's fine. But look, you tell the person, no, that is not needed. No. Oh, they do it everywhere like this. And it's like you are being gagged. That matter about no, you were one we thought I'm not going to no, right crowd. You can't do it. But only the big crowd. Ella bet our money color more na even the way you ta a jaco. Oh, it's very not very beauty. Police are also out on a body. And you are one and mouth. Okata system betole awo ele makura record amanda page take bekura ezunya and talk about the problem ezu baba ikara ya benu na mo is it right or wrong but every kemi akọ daddy chol every kemi akata mi awo ikana mi bojuri and more system ameto system amesi ame check ami abenu na alobel wo pa eche ehin abemi akọ mi akọ dashia amara to me ba vivi me aba tutu amako da tepa echo ame market to lege reju no to ne ma ke emi kami me won wi va yiwa ezu baba ke nya be nyuna mo and nde ka be nya akpo nya be ne ma won wa wi to bawa echo atorabana no ka kama nya ma bro to tell my boy Ghana pa ko yikami akatami ko yikaba chemi ozu nieba no beta gawo ano hem vivia o kakato corruption. Prove me wrong. Nenye be corruption pe mo adodo ni to choti ya e ba de galania sia ko de ka ba ro e ba de galania sia mani ni maka doka afia of program le school maka doka afia wo health insurance respect to amanya njere ni keta ba ya de ya da keke ni ne na kota amare mu ibi ne to ko jikura e kere ke na ni mama na ne sa bo ya na ko do fa na ko nya ma ba ma na ma ba wa ma ha so ba me amne akoko we won sia pe we want that is effort to ma no na ma ni nya no ka ta bura mi bo biti na ma je corruption dawa lo ma bla pa ya be abeto right to bro nya le na ma wo be fo e ko to visi me be nya ka ka me du pa fo ye be ko do tu wa he to ni an ka ma le fa o mi ya e ko na ni o mi ja papa mi apere mi an o amara wa ni pe amara be ki ka ke o na wo pero ni e o ka ge mo ba ye ke be ni ka sle ami tere pa ma on wo ni ai chon o mai me ka ina me bu amara ri ko
e bo na pa me
ya ta su be pe ke ko ye be na ma ka ta but so be na le na si o de corruption ya ka when my boy school ya na ko do ko koka mo le si no ko te e ko blo de
asa shetan
mo le ke ka ta bo na ko na mo le si a problem na ya kita ya mo kita ha okay ko to le si na e pass ma ka pass
oh ama bo nyama chunya ngoro mano head of English department bo Mauli school and script mark ke yo be Tony Bomiara aguna fama be please contact my father on 0 number.
Look at this.
Student allo English student. If you ever mamuna banajo na o essay down afma kwa. You go be and if you am ma kpore mo maton Uyo uben na yo tana yo ko o amagas chief so nye a chief belo ko urogaro.
Ba bia dia be de ma e ko pa si ma o do. Nunca faço só. Que papa, a que me afeta o mesmo. Já tô para fazer eu alô não que tá no lugar. É minha mãe que tá me lembrando. Doutor ma boy, é que me problema não vai suave. Não nem que só para minha caca botar. A mão para cala pode nem pôr. A mão cala pode nem pôr. É vai ter minha caca moale fefe. É vai ter minha caca o awal ko nyama kwa mina pia anya bi dia bi siwo aka o tar ma boy mele ne ma ta ya boda sunu mo le ala be na bra be afona le ya look sometimes it ka kanya ti ka nya fiola 26 ya amre ta ta ka choma 26 ta fika de pa go me nu ka amena anya pa ne ka to ba na ba ko ya ai tu gara ni ka to ka be yo ya I think it's one more thing Asbrom, ya to ka da fo ado, me du yo ne es ga sabe ma ho. Iba wo tore man ta. O de le me no ko e ke je na ye. E ma mo ju bu ka ke me nya ma me me yo nya. It is called in English it's called principle. The first is a principle first. Ka fra ga ma, to ma ko me ga bi o nyo na ya fa de ho ga ma, to ka fa de ho ga ma.
O na nyo nya ma me ni 100,000 ma.
Apple. Because that is an exemplary leadership. That near Belgium, near Solomon. I hear how many near Pakwa, near human. Belly. If you have a company, got 2 cities, got there, if as a report, but very for prayer. I've got quick over, I put in one, make up with him, and I bet I chop for the rain of gold. If you already give out, that matter for Nagana, Kokaka, but that's very bad. But I hold it to the gentleman, Tokaka already. Not some plus some holding, and then you can have a woman. I just want to play. Then we went out, mark out my 2 years. I'm not sure to go. I can't go, but I have to go. One of you are on. I'll tell you. Oh, you want Africa? We are a family in a mouth. Yeah, as you put on your cat, you can have a for never talk.
Akwe, Bruno Foley, Nyang Dela, name Yapa, Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu. Matro the Honorable Donchi. Enyaraba to me over Odadagare and Wopashiji. Leba Carifua, a jig, Bla CD, a ton persoa blanc nevoa, ton le de Arlofa de Kaji, que a chin hapofua, a jig, persoa blanc niveau a ton de Arlofa de Kaji. On va leke moi malika. Ekpo nchoa odidi Petrovache. Evoa wo dade fujo je fi va didi Petrovache. Parce que fi afujo vache eleji. Esi hu fi a 90 cedis que fu kama esi melo a 80 cedis cho o ide marginal poden aplau va hu a ezo 60 abo 50 onya la poden ko mi babajemba do kona no say stability jime mi le just stable ne mi nwata tagreja mi dereji fairly ko mi adashinchi ogano na mapwe ero Nigeria didi ko ga o ga baga gbona the 1st July lekenya dilecto na we
po no le opposition de elebe na nyale ke afunu ben ne ba win power la no konya dodo bola atonko po nya ko isi me de video enya be 2028 me power ka gbe ta nya ya ko dare bonya la eje ma bole be e cho ne me du divon ne me da va nya kre no bi mi ka ba do bola enya ke ma gboro gbela alo nya ke ma gboro gbela ma ba tovu alo ma ba kika ala be isi e bo me mu bola mo le mi akpolu here le message o enye me ba fi po ni manya mo ba mo le message do da kanya ko le gbolo be so be ikule dare ya meju evo abatu o be emi no power odongo jibe eke NDC ba MPP ba power banga 2017 ya na kufa do de echi electricity that time Adams Mutawakilu honorable enye ranking member na NDC the Energy and Mines Ambassador, and he hold a strong view there. How melebe no dele the name no mauju no dele jira awonuka ana revenue maunuka which is true. Ake nele revenue bola ele to come view pe fukpekpe onuka border 2028 la ome dareji ya ake time bala onuka o dareji Ameke he edeleji obenuka ta edeleji ameke he medareji obenuka ta edeleji la obenuka ta medareji la eke wa dareji so ba to come the senate of the Ghana town nuka mi be yo won the end am yo ya jimi le fu e bonu go etunya no bio fifia loko ponu oponu azira be jeno dare ndegeji ya ona menya be ona menya ne o brother dem la but you RC Nuka tami agbolo be menya government o ya government na kufa do no ka dareji bola which I believe strongly so be PRC even though it's an independent nuclear sometimes we tell me that state there we can push it la they do so if you give me the 5 years on e po ko me give me la amole bola 6 months e ti kome to hunu me po e me po 5 years la de e me to go water or store ya be yo le ti tura mo be o e je ko to pe me bi aso e mi o mi to na ko to pe le fi 3 weeks project me ako mi veyo ko chito me veyo le sio pe that is the reality well na no ya dare enu ma oji e ka jipe ta electricity
pledging
look me so nyere ga e pa electricity bill efficient that time me do ko e bia 7 day enu ki o dare jire e ya yo na mi o e ya menye be nji sike mi pinya yo e ke ke mere e ya fe o tole menye be ago be bra jo le nji me tala e tole fu ake wola o nyanya be to ko le fe o le fo chela ke jibe na ba gbole be e bo menyu look ni ko jemi o fifila enyebe ngekere kemele ke ko gbolo gbebe ko maka dare ni e de gbebe ni ke ko be agbolo la ponu ebela ma ba to mo na o e chofie bo ala be ona menya be dollar be inflation e yo ko gbona de nu yo fun dare ni since again this is papa last year let me calculate the number of percentage o dare water pele nu ka logo ne electricity jira wonuka edefu lady de nya fo me pe yom jobe honorable nka jobe ma ji electrician na je no apo ye bita na ida bede amre de ba lende ko je meda me mo lende ke jemu maybe because la ane ke bi le ba fanela o de ka le ti my home me ne ko je sa o phone deal with ka cha na bo month o ko bi le ba ba 400 Ghana 600 Ghana ya me bi do fifila ese go me na me de ya the west yenye bela like je mele stable Anai ko aton mo examine my yare jore na je job no be fit no ka mistake is air condition aton ko be bi akitechi ne ko epolo ke ti be ba mo le be be ka cha na ayira ese wole efa sigboli aton na be like ro wa nyan ku sui mo le bo am edola mo kun mo bele ka enu me da dere ji de yo you see ne be ba 2028 no eba hiala ne onuka nya dareji ata me gbolo be e fi nyemele gbela nyemele o jagbe too much ala ba choki egbo ne Dr. Muhammadu ba oniafa no ba hia be no onuka no dare electricity bila ka onuka kwa dareji no ba hia be no onuka no deleja o dareji la kenu ke hia na mi o fi feel nyebela e mo jo da dareji la mele mo ko e tie di o da darela e tie ja mele po electricity bila la electricity bill especially la e jo ni le nkuru because bill ki na mo le la no de mo ba mo no yo fifiela akobe call yo so abola menyi look o ma na dare no ji ko yakato eye ma no mo che po ta NDC dowe enya ki mi ba gbona mi o fe o vote na mi awenya ni nyebe ya wo mi lela onya wunye enya nya ndi pito onyo dala ne me brother say wa bo politics I can make you online me he mi gbona oba akufodo light bill la e kwasi wo hofe ta ne mi vote na mi awola mi awelela eyo fi fi auto le Ghana nye bredo he wa gba be ko an bi doma nchuma e kafa aka me o vote la o le nya pe no bi nye poto emogime no ye no ma o vote na la o nya wunye araba nye ni ala nye vote na wo aka make you vote na o le no bi nye ko le mu po sebela no ike am ye vote na la e ya nya wunye Tony wa go se ko madam e nya bi doma go se madam ka de se le ko be fi abe ba omia de se ko me go wa ku for abe ke no for that US ya wa bro na mi ja lo go de cathedral do Fifiere, eya o mi be menyu. Ye mi ba gbona mi obe yo awo ABC. Ka no ye ya o mi gbona wala, o do di obi yi. Ka ke me ya o mi gbona wala, o le mi aso.
Politics brewed in African teapot. According to Musa, according to Musa Dankwa, 95% of Ghanaians are happy with it.
Yeah, I'm part of the 95.
We don't care. We don't care. But there's no change in value. The value is the same. Kofi Akombe, I think now that water is abundant everywhere, flat everywhere, so the water tariff should go down. When commodity is in abundance, the market prices go down. Economics are seven. All right, thank you for your message. Togbi got a message. Togbi, voter Nazebe and your voter Nazebe. According to Musa, Uncle Musa Dankwa, Ghanaians see nothing wrong with the increment and everything is on the right direction. All right, we having fun here. Please, please just rewrite your message and send it to me. All right. Okay, Honorable Matrenchu, so that okay, going to Amdora, ECG. Okay, this is really very funny. For 2 months, TAP has not flowed. So what are you increasing? Increase the bill and pay it yourself. Honorable Matrenchu, and I said, "Well, wait, do." Actual powerhouse day in area. Oh, actually do that. Actually, remember you. Makuchi puchirensha, my kitchen, makuchi gagbo, my do small. Because there was so that thing was flowing so much. That oh, but only me or more lalo. That India gachi.
Oh, dear.
Even kettle nyama, but choma, makuchi abo gaga vanyo. The kettle, my few kettle, my hit, when more normality. Ko kwa. No, my lifetime I got shimo. You may have a lifetime show. Maybe I will make it when material to my back with Kore talk woman.
Ice water.
No, coach, a Kore okay. So, because my never catch America, the top of the car. Then Yayokwa, a balance not. I never got then a shimo. A child foul. Time a good never. I mean, the same views. I was ever so well. But never catch a mother. I never catch a good morning. The good morning can I borrow.
Aside never peculiar problem. Never problem. Okay, only young. Last 2 weeks, last week, mama. Pipe grand to gaputo, you can connect Sibana to Pepper and Ballet Clepe. Alabe, I got that whole Lahaji and pressure catch Yakoba Vamta, Evanambe, Kaka, Dapua. Yabawa Arudi, Mako Montopena, Abotana, Nana, Water Company, Legal Order for Kabari, Polmanco, and Market. By the virtue of any camera like I Baklugi, Tunaka, Carver, I have a examined the Dule of Iowa, via a Yamaha, a Yamaha, whatever. It took them almost like 4 days to fix because my picture, tell my boy, I want to o log you are parokra can complain me tiame do na besia go me ko edeme ame nyento nya I get water once a week ya ke the parent get me ka do le ho over almost 10 to 9-10 years o watch abeta mi beta mi
o tanya agbamelele me enwo nya jo
ka abo ha e tla ka do na ma akeke la papa
nya to 3 months la
Pobe ni keke if you have a pipe go no do support the to mafia o pipe 2 inches pipe o go the woman but so if you can get it to ma ka ka ke na be ti na support the tower o fifia o ma ka ka support the tower o chichi na te be ni be da tare ni ya o ya to ma boy abato ma right do cooperative ya ti ne nya ka pe ko blom
o eme ma unya ta ba ki
I know la ali ya ga tan do don la pasi pati lisa ina ba ni de va fu dem na mi momania e wo ku be me bronya hell ala be some few days ago Copec looked at their price ceiling because they are not going to know what Syria for once in a while Copec reduced the ceiling. It kept the price of crude oil. It kept hit over $100 per barrel. Kaka up to 120 grams. Yeah, editing. Actually, it was about $77 per barrel. It kept more the things must reflect on the boards. But you see, there be a problem to some of us in your belly. Then not me brony, me papa jama shaibo, me amowa the amowa seven I can't want to we don't do say. We don't do say. That in the production of water and electricity, there are other factors. In fact, tell my boy, the Mahama-led administration is doing so well. Because some of the havoc that hits the Mahama government should have been things that could, destabilize the government. Power stations are being set ablaze, we're told. Transformers have not been changed for long, and all those things. The cost of production of the electricity is very high. We have the generators, we have the transporters. We don't talk about them. How do you hear low carry? Metro is the boy. It's from the power transporters. It's from the generators. Kafra, now we're on they need to reinvest into getting those things back to us. So the cost of some of these things go high. But in John Dramani Mohammed's administration, the cost of power and water was reduced to record low. It was reduced to record low. We have to help push the government. Many people don't mind my hand they buy Imana to pass night. I don't to pass night to John Dramani Mahama. There are other factors of production to some of these things. Look, many the price of some of these things keep on low. Yesterday I was listening to Al Jazeera. America is suffering. America of all economies is suffering. It kept here and one minute Canada.
That ever he come when system.
Yes.
If you ever be them as over need your global market that affect me significantly.
Russia Ukraine war. America go year. But I might do the border. I don't have more. Come and go to the then we have every right to say that this what we said was wrong. Everybody is suffering. Told my boy, I heard some news from La Côte d'Ivoire yesterday, and they want to come and leverage their prices with Ghana because we are the price of cocoa in Ghana is higher than Côte d'Ivoire.
Okay.
That and what the cost of production is making things difficult for us. Kakari le nyasi.
Kakari le.
Yokwa. After of John Dramani Mahama Hadidi. And you know we drive our plane to her. Plus five part dealers. No, we are not a yellow ati. A plepo. A girl just want to see one. What do you have to me?
Apa mau nawe, agba mi bo fuga tanya nya football mood makumale. Na po ganyi bi bo fuga. Nka fiki mi bola komle.
Apa to da football to super giant LED screen. Yeah, okay. Zibate ka Ghana football. Cinema mi ko nive atipi sia to ko ya kuti to ko ka ta ko de nive man no it was so beautiful.
Da back of Africa no.
E ba mi le sia video be fia o ka ta o ina temeta ye o ka community center no ke e hotel de ko to so aka ko be free popcorn and free health education na mi ape the calculate you can watch chicken bone no man there will be free health education and screening for them and there will be free HIV test screening also over there after me ball
Akpe Bruno Foley 8 to the whole Central Member of Parliament. Ekpana Remianchi, Honorable Richmond Edem Kofi Potusu Remianchi Plaga in D1 ya elo banami go Akpeni. Matore Honorable Braido Nchi.
Tony. Epo mebolo yande eya kumaka bono. Ame yuwe nyakulu ame ya meno vya melemo. Water bill ya hena e ku fon akufa do na power enya. Enya electricity bill enya. No vinye be o reduce it to the record low. Amole mi akpole mgime. Nenye be water plus electricity bill gero value o reduce it to the record low de. Menye ba omia alo MPP ya ba bolo na o. Ewoche eleke yeche meleke mi se. You see explanation let me never be in the history of US. We touch open fuel reserve for until Russia and Ukraine happened. And they never did so. The open inflation may move for so many years. Inflation may move for. Like when Russia and Ukraine sparked, a move. As I look at here, and this is double flower. And Nami Navella out, yeah, in Malayama. E kemi fa konyi cho ebe awo akufu eba akufu adonya enu yo jole Ghana abo iba dongbe na mo obodu Muhammad dala nu yo jole ye mele sego nu ye ni aye nye bene deliver egbera eni si to obodo na mi bela awo the global economy is suffering be gbona be no vinyo be enu ye komi fwan 2024 e ye lo ko fwan be 2028. Alors, quand make le nyama bia fun kuma ko fifie ki le ba bia se no kai job ye electricity bill ya me yi ko ne sende ke ko o be electricity o reduce the record low la o bp fifiara o bp fifiara elle about 200 over 600 ka bonya de mi le nu wa
ya boy ye me bia bonya mo jima bia wo nto fe mo se wonare wo dia le MPP.
Oh, okay. Mian pito mi bale mian okyo.
Eko mian mi le satellite je remote TV je. Mian ko se no to ko wo mian bi message aro le to go mo pleto mian bi peta to ko pleto. Ta le mian bo fia wo egbe yin sibanto na baba. Ta mi na de ro kyo mi ne be awo be ra zo chairman nyama bia male.
Oh, okay. Akpe na yo bright dole who central of voter region. Nu yo akopede wonye be MPP man ya kwa megoro brona. In fact, Medu constituencies, Medu police station secretary, Medu police station chairman, or communication officer, Medu secretary, but I have done so much for my party. I'm serving my party. I call them old Miaja, Mika deserve me organized party. I came here with me or police station, electoral areas. I have a chola over nomination, but I make you a contest for constituency positions or pick form. Majora nye dore kukuna party me dole whole center am chairman to me be me madu chairman now. I believe strongly that the pay kemi do vision na party ala Braido is needed. In fact, I'm your katamba we are contest election at the Kenya CPP to the Kenya DP to me akata to me. I believe strongly and thankfully la majority of the people o believe o to ne manya wa gbolo ya de ko gake menya be lo jimela eye menya be fonye kile ke jime ma gbolo ya de ko no gborobe vote le mia se mbe yo no fair ma don po bright do be du chairman ya gborobe aw me pick form e cho egbendi na me cho le te yala ma yi abasa nye nomination form as part of the processes be ma do chairman na legone MPP le ho titina ametiang to me ni kele mo wenye be egben sigman to me ba fi ya me de be panki ne me gbo vala alonge kele ko after 11 July la me gbo gbo abale ke me gbo le fi ba yin la ya je pe me amen eye enyenye si me no la na MPP me pe du aja MPP to ka tan be e don kuku ya la wana nya onuka nya we eye echi aja reji eye wa che ku be
akpe ta egba honorable right do if a bane chom koi the whole central constituency office alo okwe demo be agere obeblama officially be abazo chairman na NPP the whole central constituency nyoto mis eponko ta miameklen NPP amoka dako ale miagbo ni o ye miawo miawe yo ichache mianchi pa tabajiwa mako no pa akokwa chi attack ben mi kata roje backplane messages are rolling ni bakhlora be donama okwe ronye Patricia put message to ada pro message to dogbo message to Mary to Adenta amana mianko sem fifla Teresa mianko sem to community 18 akbano ke stroda mianko sem to powerhouse akbano bele mereka do message na be kwenye kuma jo deme mi mokata ya pa gbadura mokata ma ho kata ma jeshimi ha bi ra message na play me no bi e ma ku so wala we you right akbana mi honorable Bruno Fonika ka me no nyo radio amana nyo na mi ha ma na garam bye bye
Nane mano monsieur, eye na me soile.